Hello, this is the final project for CSCIE 6.3 Big Data Analytics. My final project, Neo4j in Configuration Management, 2013 Pharmaceutical and Medical Manufacturers Payments to Medical Personnel. And the outline is I have a project statement, data description, hardware and software used, 7 project steps, and the conclusion. So basically, pharmaceutical and medical device manufacturers make payments to medical personnel. So this can produce ethical dilemmas, conflicts of interest, and we can use Neo4j, a NoSQL database, to grasp the relationship between the company's gifts and the medical personnel who receive the gifts. We can ask questions like which companies give the most gifts, which medics receive the most gifts. And the data set being used is from the Massachusetts Department of Health and Human Resources, 19 columns of company and medic data. It's self-reporting data. The hardware in the project was Cloudera QuickStart with Neo4j, modeling tool, Java and Eclipse. We first cleaned up the data, we identified fields for modeling, we modeled the data, installed Neo4j and Eclipse, import CSV data, and we graphed it, and we wrote some queries. That's what the data looks like. It was very messy, missing fields. We needed to make it comma separated, and we did some modeling. That's a graph of the modeling. We installed Neo4j. It was pretty easy to install, but we had to learn Cypher and commands, and the cons, so you cannot share the Neo database. That's what the data looked like when we wrote the script in Cypher, and there's the model in Neo4j. Also, queries could be written and executed. We found out that 5 companies gave the most educational gifts, and 7 medics receiving gifts are not institutions but individuals. Thank you very much.